back, I ain't got play tough. Used to be rich, but you fucked all up. Damn, this year ain't been a whole much. Can't be mad, you just gotta catch up. The whole price fucked every nigga with some money. I'm still in the hood, post up with the junk. You never going back to the hood, stop running. I told her I know and she take me, she love me. Niggas on the spot, I'ma bust him. Too much lean, my poppin', he crutches. Paying that bitch for the car, you a customer. How you got smoke with your ops and your brother? I'm part of the mob, can't be goofy for nothing. I woke up this morning, Rick Orange for breakfast, then Gucci for lunch, then Louis for dinner. Diving that pussy, I'm stupid in it.
YouTube, what's good, man? Do I look tired? Nah, it's early as hell though. Y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, we installing damn, y'all hear that motherfucker though. We installing these headlights. I honestly could have did that shit in my driveway, but as y'all should know by now, like I don't really work on cars for real. I really just YouTube shit and go try it. So I don't have the tools to take the bumper off. So right now I'm currently pulling up to my uncle's crib. He gonna help me take the bumper off and we just gonna replace these headlights. Hopefully the video is short, simple, and sweet, man. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and drop a sub. Go ahead and drop a like on the video. I ain't really coming super long intro. I'm tired as fuck. We gonna get straight to it. What's good? We back, huh?
My bumper y'all got a home.
Nah, that's how I like do my transition. But y'all can see, man, we back. We done made it to the destination. We about to go ahead and take the bumper off and start the headlights. We can't fly for the vid. But look, I'm about to just show them the headlights real quick.
Oh, cuz you supposed to be matching too.
Matching who?
Y'all can't hear me?
Yeah, we can. You want to be in the video?
No.
Well, you just hear your voice.
I was like, hey.
Yeah. How they look?
How they look?
Basically, this is already set up in the car from the emblem. We just about to take the hood off, replace it. Plug and play type joint, you feel me? We're gonna keep it very non-vulgar for the kids this time. I'm done, brother.
Got 2 10s in the top.
You know, we gotta remember how to do this for next time, you feel me? Definitely. I don't think we ever gonna have to take the bumper back off again, though.
Oh yeah, when you trade it in and get that new thing. Yeah, you trade it in and get that new thing.
Nah, we keep it. I ain't gonna lie, we keep it.
This one? Okay.
Track 2026, okay. I don't even know if I want a tank track, bro. Everybody got a track. I want that 392 rank. Bro, did you see? You know what I'm about to say?
You about to say Dukes? Come on, bro. I'm like, come on, dog. Appreciate it. You got sweet tea?
Yeah.
Homemade?
No,
homemade.
What's that?
The Arnold Palmer?
It don't matter.
You can bring out 2 teas and some water? Or, yeah. Yeah, I go to the land and go get it.
I'm gonna go, I got it.
Don't do that. That's it right there. That's it. I tried what?
Real muscle.
I seen you, bro. I didn't think you was gonna lift that, man. That's past up the street.
What you talking about?
Uh-huh. She lives in that church. That's a Lyric Church.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You go on the train?
Yep.
Oh, you go to Triumph?
Yeah.
I feel like everybody in Southfield goes to Triumph.
It's right there.
You know, I used to be at El Bethel, you feel me?
Is it El Bethel?
7-9.
Rep your set then.
7-7. I think it's like these daily.
Oh, yeah, we went over there before. Grand River over there?
Yeah, I ain't been there. church in a minute though.
Oh yeah. I ain't been in person in a while.
I just be in the word.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I see where it's taking us, man. 3K by the end of the month.
That's how you feeling?
Easily.
Easy.
I ain't gonna lie.
Where you at now?
27.
Oh yeah.
8.
Easy.
About to be at 28. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I was looking at the analytics. Last year we only went up 800 like subscribers, right?
Straight.
I went up 700 last month.
Can you pass me that?
I didn't know your subscriber count was going
No,
up.
that whole big thing. Yep.
It just started.
Appreciate it.
What's up? I know it's the vids, bro. It's definitely the vids. Just filtering that traffic, bro.
On that way.
Hey man.
We're gonna have the bumper off, man. So basically, bro, we got the same thing right here. We just about to switch them because this one got more outlets. We need 8 instead of 4 because it's 2 on each headlight. Walk with me. And they give you this. It just plug into itself like that, man. Probably gonna time lapse this, skip straight to the finished product, or you think we should?
We can throw a little giblets in there.
A little something.
Important giblets.
And the colors that look straight during the daytime
What colors?
on the headlights.
Yeah. You'll be able to see them. It ain't gonna be too crazy. We in the shade right now too, so you should be able to
It's
see
gonna
'em.
hit right here for sure.
Yeah.
We're gonna add some rollers in after we done. Let y'all see the rollers, see the footage, man. That might be my next investment, though.
What?
Tool set.
This was good.
What?
The tool
Now I got a
set.
lot of Ryobi. I love Ryobi, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if it's the color
It's a
or
starter kit.
yeah.
I mean, I'm not industrial, you know what I'm saying? It's just around the house.
And it's cost efficient.
Yes. Direct Tools. I always go to Direct Tools and get mine.
Okay. Where's that at?
At Outlet Malls.
Oh, okay.
It's
There y'all go, direct tools, man.
mama's thing. How was gonna get fried to this boy?
Oh, to the headlights.
Yeah. And then I saw this. I was like, yeah. I thought I was going to have to run the wire up under it.
Cause I was looking at cause when I opened the box, I ain't gonna lie, when I first opened the box, I was completely confused. I ain't gonna lie.
We study that.
Everything on YouTube.
Mm-hmm. That's what they call people. YouTube mechanics.
Then I'm like, this the same. I'm literally just looking at the parts and looking at the car and just matching stuff up. I ain't get
Simple.
Man, it's the time we all been waiting for, man.
All right, let me go plug up the battery.
Y'all think it's gonna work?
Make sure that bug don't fall, man.
I think.
Ooh.
Oh, he did set it up to where the car don't gotta be on.
Oh, okay.
Relax, man. You ain't got to be. Oh, okay.
Hey, we might be good. I ain't gonna.
They look nice. They look nice in the daytime too.
I ain't like Bluetoothed it yet. Y'all wanted to see the options? Or
Oh, you just do it on the road.
Yeah, run it out through. Yeah, I see.
Yes, sir.
But you know it got the same options as the badge. Like,
I didn't know that. And it just go around instead of like side to side.
see now.
So when they off, you still got like regular headlights and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. You just gotta connect it.
Now, that's a good question.
All right, now check it out.
Ooh. Hey, that's crazy.
They got all the same. It's gonna match the badge.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And then you can interchange it, like you can turn the badge on and turn them off kind of thing?
Yep.
That's fire. Is it the same brand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, we good.
Yes, sir.
But for the flicks.
Yeah.
A little preview.
Yeah.
See, yeah, when they off, I think I gotta just always have them on though.
What you mean?
Cause I think if I turn it off, they actually be off. So I think I gotta turn it on and just have them white.
Nah. Cause your
Cause my light's not actually on.
yeah, your headlight is still connected to it.
All right, so I'm gonna turn the car on.
Yeah. Anything set to the cam, bro? Anything set to the cam?
Oh man. This shit cook right now.
Always something iffy, man.
Cause I don't wanna fuck it up by flipping this bitch.
Right. And if I put that on there.
So what's the worst that could happen?
Peep this. Guess what? We didn't put that on there. I'm just gonna start these.
So look, basically, man, if you order the headlights, you gotta put it into the original housing. I don't know if I want to put that in there though. You feel me?
You want to put the
tape it though, and you could edit it later.
Yeah. That's how you save coins, man.
Oh yeah, no cap, no cap. I'm letting them niggas struggle.
I'm letting them struggle.
They gotta figure this out too.
Yeah.
You can just let it in. I was just making sure they don't get too tangled.
Oh yeah. What?
You probably want to start all over again. I was all talking. And
Oh no, the talking is good. Yeah.
Okay.
The process is fine.
Shoot, they know I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, that's the end of the what's the name?
Yeah, this right here, the part that plug into the other badge.
Yeah, you can just go all tie that together.
Yeah, we green. That might be as far as it go. I don't think that's going nowhere. Yeah.
No, that ain't going nowhere. You said what?
I'm at a meet next Friday.
You said what?
I'm at a meet next Friday.
What's up?
It's crazy, like a year from now, niggas really gonna be nice as hell at this shit.
Absolutely.
Get a build-up car.
Mm-hmm.
It might really be the Wrangler.
Hey, that's easy.
Got that Hellcat engine in there. Angry grill on the front, but nah. That's what I was saying. Instead of like track, I really want that 392 Wrangler. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch looks. Door is off.
It sound good too. I think they gonna keep that 392 in production.
Even if they don't, though, I don't care. Girl,
The latest model.
plan is the 2028. That's when it's really gonna be up. Like 2025, 2026, niggas gonna just have a little bit of money. In 2028, niggas gonna be rich.
You just be there.
As fuck.
Right. Hey.
Watch.
Everything.
There's a few things in that video. Niggas think this shit happened overnight, man. They've been doing that shit for years.
Come on now.
We only 1 year in.
Already got Hellcat.
Literally though. Zip tie, man.
Talking about zip tie.
Real mechanic.
It's all real mechanic.
Niggas gotta start somewhere. I can't just come into this shit and know how to do everything. Oh yeah, that's green.
Shit, I ain't going nowhere. Yeah. Yes, sir.
That's when you were behind him. You went to get him. You put the turn to red.
Yeah. They same remote, ain't they?
That's a big step right here. Oh, you talking about once we blow up?
That face up. See what you think? Put that face up.
Throw that bumper back on. It's the Joker colors right here.
Sure.
I see it. I see it.
That was low-key hard.
Good. Alright. So what we're gonna do is
One more time, dog. You said what?
you got some shit in there, boy.
Well, I'm saying.
So look, man, we got the finished product. He's still ripping.
Dog fooling in the back.
Y'all see the finished product. We got the light up bag, the light up headlights, man. Should I change the colors for these niggas?
Yeah, go ahead.
That's kind of fun.
Oh, you green. You said it's kind of far.
Yeah, I'm talking about for the mic.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Alright. I don't even know what I want to say though. I might have to stand up. I ain't gonna lie. I feel weird sitting down. Pace back and forth tight. You gonna stand up with me?
Yeah, bro. Oh, no.
Alright. Oh, no, that's cool.
You don't think so?
He said, nah,
Your
move.
background don't sell.
Yeah.
Hey, look, we all natural, man. Whatever back there. No Diddy.
Whoa.
No Diddy.
Oh, yeah, we got
and
no.
the sun going down, that's
That's
perfect.
perfect.
But look, man, as y'all can see, we ain't got the bumper back on. I'm about to show a couple of the... Should I do them together or...
Except do both.
So you just said do both, and I'll just do one. I gotta turn it on.
The car?
No, I gotta turn it on with the remote.
Oh, bet.
It's on?
Yeah. Good question.
People be asking me that though. This boy really is.
Oh, it is for sure.
That red clean, I ain't gonna lie.
There it is, thing.
Do it look straight on the camera though?
Mm-hmm.
Let me just show a couple of the colors. I could do more of this at the crib for real.
Let me show them.
You feel me? Little fade action. See what else we got on here. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, that's that one. Oh no, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
You saw that positive and negative, that turned the whole door around.
Oh yeah. He called it in the video though. He was saying it in the video. We like that don't make sense. Cause why would you make it like
he
that?
Did, so he did tell you.
Yeah.
But it's like the clips wasn't lining up, so it didn't make sense for real.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But he had an older version of, so he didn't even have clips on his.
Oh.
I ain't gonna lie.
So why would they do that?
Yeah, I don't know. And did we get that in the video?
What?
That we flipped it.
I don't know.
Yeah, figure it out.
I think it had. I think we did. No, we did get that in there. I don't know if we did. But you saying you flipped it, so.
Yeah, y'all got to flip the little one thing. Y'all.
They make a mock of it. I know
fact.
this in the flip, but it was supposed to go the other way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, at least we taped it though.
You right. Oh, you green then. That's all the clip was gonna do. We'll keep it from going on.
I really might go to the car wash though. Vlog that a little bit.
Oh yeah.
But man, go ahead, drop a like on the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We on our way to 3K. By the time this video drop, honestly, we gonna be at 3K. But so we on our way to 3.5K then. That's really it, man. Yeah, I be trying to, but it's like I don't know. They love the nonchalantness.
Do they?
They mess with it. Yo, should I start vlogging with the Osmo? Like, let me know if this shit look clean or not. I usually vlog with my phone, but this shit got the face tracking. Like, look. I don't know. Is this bitch clean, y'all? I'm gonna insert this clip randomly as hell, but I might start vlogging with this shit instead of my phone. And it look like this shit, like, picking up more background, you feel me? My phone be like right here. Damn, I look shit. No, we gonna see. I don't know how good the audio is with this. Like if it pick up good audio. I only ever record the car. This is how I get my little cinematic shots of the car. I be using this shit. But I seen somebody on YouTube said they was vlogging with this bitch. But I'm like, I fuck with the face tracking though. Like if I'm walking and shit, you feel me? It's gonna be tracking my face, whatever type shit. Let's go ahead and get back to the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the rollers. I'm currently at Qdoba. I gotta grab me something to eat, bro. Like this video probably only gonna be like 15 minutes. But nigga, we was just there from 11. I got there at 11 o'clock, bro. It's 5:30. So I'm really starving right now, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm about to run in here, grab some food. I might go to the car wash. It depends on how I feel after I eat this food. I ain't gonna lie. If you liked the video or if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button, bro. I'm tired of y'all niggas watching my shit and not subbing, bro. For real. I don't really give a fuck if y'all sub, man. As long as you enjoyed the video, just go ahead and leave a like. Yeah.